I have a Garmin Edge Touring Plus, and the back button quit working on it. So when I would try to hit this, it wouldn't work. And I called up Garmin, and the way we fixed it was to calibrate the computer. So to do that, the way you calibrate the screen is you hold the lap button. This is the start-stop button. This is the lap button. So you hold the lap button at the same time you start the power up the unit. You don't have to hold that, you just have to hold this till it comes up. And once it comes up, you play this little game where you tap the screen. And you keep tapping this dot for quite some time. And finally, after all that, calibration is complete and my back button works. So, don't know if that'll help anybody, but that solved my problem with this unit. Thanks for watching.